Chemistry in Everyday Life Chapter Chemistry in Everyday Life. Topic: Cleansing agents. Soaps and detergents are used as cleansing agents which help in removing dirt and grease from clothes, skin, utensils, and other dirty places. Soaps, oils, and fats are also known as lipids. They are triesters of glycerol with higher monocarboxylic acids are known glycerides. Examples of monocarboxylic acids commonly found in oils and fats are stearic acid. The main difference between oils and fats is that oils are liquids and fats are solids at room temperature. Apart from this, oils contain greater proportions of unsaturated acid, whereas fats contain greater proportions of saturated acids. Soaps are sodium and potassium salts of higher monocarboxylic acids. They are obtained from hydrolysis of oils and fats by oil, NaOH or KOH solution. CH2O CO C17H35 CH2O CO C17H35 plus 3 NaOH CH2O CO C17H35 glycerol triacetate or asterin fat CH2OH CHOH CH2OH glycerol plus 3C17H35 COONA sodium stearate soaps. Alkaline hydrolysis of esters produce sodium of potassium salts of monocarboxylic acids. Since sodium and potassium salt of higher monocarboxylic acids are known as soaps, alkaline hydrolysis of all ester is known as saponification. Saponification. The soap obtained remains in solutions. It is separated from these solutions by common ion effect by adding sodium chloride. Soap is obtained in the form of a participate. This is known as the salting out of soap. The remaining solutions is known as spent glycerol is obtained from these solutions by the fractional distillations. Types of soaps. Depending upon their use, different type of soaps can be manufactured by various the raw materials and the methods used for the preparations. Generally, potassium soaps are soft to the skin and are preferred for toilet soaps. They are performed by using better grades of oils and fats, and care is taken to remove excess alkali. Colors and perfumes are added to make them more attractive. Medicated soaps. In some soaps, antiseptic substance or other substance of medicinal value are added to make them more useful. Shaving soaps. They contain glycerol to prevent rapid drying. A gum called rosin is added while making them. It helps in forming thick leather. Laundry soaps. They contain laundry soaps. They contain fillers like sodium rosinate, sodium silicate, borax, and sodium carbonate. Soap chips. They are made by the running melted soap through a cool cylinder so as to get a thin sheet of the soap which is broken into a small pieces. Soap granules, soap powders, and scoring soaps are some other varieties of soaps. Floating soaps. It is made by the beating teeny air bubbles into the products before their hardening. Transparent soaps. It is made by the dissolving the soap in ethanol and then evaporating the excess solvent. Types of soaps. Soap powders. It is a mixture of soaps with some abrasive like powdered pumic or finely divided sand. Builders like sodium carbonate and trisodium phosphate are added to make the soaps act more rapidly. Disadvantage of soaps. Soaps do not work hard water because hard water contain calcium and magnesium ion. These ions combine with the soap and form insoluble salt as a scum. 2 are COONA soap plus CaCl2 calcium chloride in hard water RCOO secondary Ca plus 2NaCl in soluble scum. This precipitate adheres onto the fiber of cloth as gummy mass and creates a hindrance to good washing. Cloth washed with the soap in hard water does not absorb dye uniformly. Hair washed with soap in hard water become dull because of the sticky precipitate.